Good evening, Bettendorf High School families. This is Christy Kleppe, principal at Bettendorf High School. I cannot believe we are already talking about course selection for the 23-24 school year. First of all, I'd like to welcome our 8th grade students and families as you'll be joining us over the next couple weeks to register for your 9th grade courses. The course selection process can be overwhelming if this is your first time or your first high school student, but I'm hopeful these videos will give you a point of reference when selecting courses for the 23-24 school year. Just a reminder that Parent Guardian Night for current 8th graders registering for 9th grade courses for next year is January 23rd at 6 p.m. This will be located at Bettendorf High School and again is only for parents and guardians, as your 8th grade student will be receiving the same information at Bettendorf Middle School. Current 9th through 11th grade students, your Parent Guardian Night is on January 25th at 6 p.m. Information will be provided specific to each grade level about course registration. I want to take this opportunity to introduce you to our curriculum guide resource on our webpage. This site will serve as a guide to help you register for courses that best meet your students' graduation requirements, their needs, and their interests. I will also be sending a little bit of information from each department, hopefully highlighting some of the courses and the questions that you may have, and I'm hoping this will be helpful. We look forward to seeing everybody next week. Just real quickly here, how you access our curriculum guide to start exploring courses for the next school year. From the Bettendorf High School homepage under Academics, if you click on the curriculum link, this will take you to the homepage of our curriculum guide. You can look around this site. If you have any questions, please let me know. I would say under course descriptions or clicking on courses will give you the most up-to-date about our courses that are offered for the 23-24 school year. I hope everybody has a great night, and please see the attachments from the Math and Science Department. Thank you.